Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Marielle, also known as ItsaCurlysituation, and in today's video I'll be trying a new product that I haven't tried and since I first went natural. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back. So I've already washed, deep conditioned, detangled my hair, and I put it in these two braids, and it's slightly damp. And I used my Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in. It's my favorite leave-in. And the product we're trying is the Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed Recipes Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. Such a long name. And it looks like this. And it looks like a typical gel. Whoop. I don't want it to fall out. Feels like a typical gel, a little lighter than like the EcoStyler gels, and it smells really good. It smells like candy and flowers. It smells really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and split my hair into 4, and we're gonna get started with the video. Okay, I look really crazy. So I've split my hair into 4, and we're gonna go ahead and test out this gel, and I'm gonna read what it says. It says and this is the elongating gel, by the way. It's supposed to like stretch your curls. It says give dry shriveled curls and twists a nice stretch with Aunt Jackie's special blend of moisturizing conditioners, flaxseed and wheat protein. With nourishing omega fatty acids, flaxseed has been widely used as a natural remedy for hair growth, anti-thinning, and overall scalp health. With regular use, hair is left soft without a crunchy, tacky feel. This product contains no petroleum or mineral oil, keeping hair from feeling oily and weighed down. So, it doesn't really give directions as to how to use it. Oh, here it is. It says for directions, a small amount can be used on clean, dry hair, but this gel, let me move it closely. Move it closer. It says a small amount can be used on clean, dry hair, but this gel works best when used on clean, wet, or damp hair. Apply more for tighter curls and less for elongated curls. For wash and go styles, apply as needed, raking through hair with fingers, then finger styling hair into place, air dry or diffuse on a light setting. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing a wash and go, so I'm going to go use it like that. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up, guys. My hair is dry, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and re-wet my hair with my water. But first I'm going to take off my rings. My hair is pretty damp. I've already sealed it with my oil as well. I use the grapeseed oil. So I've already sealed my moisture in with that as well. So let's go ahead and re-wet my hair. And this is just regular room temperature water. Really make sure my hair is thoroughly saturated. I'm really kind of working that water into my hair. I have low porosity hair, so it literally just drips off of my hair. Oh goodness. Okay, so here's my hair with just the leave-in and water. So I'm going to take a little bit of the Aunt Jackie's gel, about this much. Feels light, very gel-like. Smells really good, guys. Smells really good. I'm gonna apply some to my ends. what I like to do is apply the gel on the entire section, and then I work in smaller section and shingle in the areas where I shingle. Like, I really don't like to shingle at the bottom because it shrinks the most, but you'll see. So here is with the application of gel. I got a little bit of a hold, and it feels really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and split, and we're gonna go ahead and do my shingle. So this much here, I get more gel, work on my roots, and slide it down to my ends. I'm pretty heavy-handed when, you know, I'm applying my products. Not to a point where it like starts to flake, but I really want my hair to lay down, and I don't want to redo my wash and go. I want it to last for the week. So that's why I'm applying as much product as I need to, but I'm going to show you guys what this looks like. What is this? It feels really good. It feels like it's like going to define my hair. Like, look at that. Really, really nice. You guys see that? Really nice and defined. So I like it. Can you guys see with this towel in the way? Really good. I'm gonna apply a little bit more just because I want it to last. So I'm gonna apply that much more. And I'm kind of doing the raking method here and smoothing my hair. Looks good. Okay. I don't see any problem with mixing the Kinky Curly and this gel together. It still looks it looks good. No flaking, no residue. So yeah, that's good to know, because Kinky Curly is one of my favorite leave-ins to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep going, and I just like to get these small sections just so I can have a really defined wash and go that will last and not like get crazy in 2 days. So I'm just re-wetting my hair there, making sure it's detangled. You always want to make sure your hair is detangled when you do your wash and go, because you don't want it to start matting in the roots or in this area here. That'll lead to breakage eventually. So I just go ahead and finger detangle my hair, making sure it's not tangled, and then I apply my gel to my roots, and then I work it down. And then, you know, I'll shingle this section, because this section doesn't shrink as much as the bottom, but the bottom shrinks so much. If I were to shingle, it looks like I have undercut. So I don't really shingle. I do more of the raking method at the bottom. And so here, it smells so good. I can smell the gel. It's lingering. Okay, so on this section, I'm going to go ahead and shingle my hair, and I'm going to shingle as my hair wants to shingle, but I'm not going to use too small of sections. Like, I'm not going to use tiny shingle sections. So I'm going to go ahead and start here, in here. Feels good. Adding a little bit more. I want my curls to be weighed down, you know, and this looks like it's weighing my hair down more than my hair is typically weighed down. I wonder if that's the elongation power that they claim, or, you know, the elongation claims that they are talking about in this gel. So there's that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just stop my wash and go, and I'm gonna let you guys watch, and yeah, we'll go from there. done applying the gel, and let me do a spin around before I start talking, guys. So I used about that much, which is about 1/3 of the jar. Yeah, it's like mostly in this area. I used quite a bit, but I have a lot left. If you guys don't know, this side of my hair is much thicker than this side of my hair, so it clumps better, it's more elongated, and it's like a wave over here, but it dries all curly. If you guys see it kind of like stretched, versus this side where it's all curly. This is a lot finer, and I have to kind of work to define these curls, especially the ends, so I kind of brush the ends that I want coiled. And then for this part of my hair, it's the coarsest part of my hair, and it's the most like matted and tangled section right here, so I have to use the dimming brush when I style my wash and goes, or it will just be a poofy mess right there. Like, no matter how much gel I apply, no matter how much leave-in I apply, if I don't like really work it in here and brush my hair, it'll just be frizzy. It won't even have any curl definition. It'll just be a matted mess. So I'm gonna let my hair air dry for about 3 hours, and then I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse my hair, and then I'm gonna come back before I stretch it set. Well, let's see, y'all. It looks really good. It's shiny. It's shiny for sure. Okay guys, hey, here are my stretch results. I didn't see this gel elongating my curls. My hair shrank the same way as it typically does. It has a nice light crunch on it. Let me do a spin around before I start talking to you guys. So as far as shrinkage goes, I didn't find this to prevent shrinkage. I felt my hair shrunk just the same as it typically does. I had to do a voiceover for the rest of the video because it was too noisy in my house, so I had to do a voiceover. But in all, I absolutely really enjoyed this gel. It was only like $6.99, and it gave my hair a light crunch, but it was a strong hold. It felt like a light gel, and it wasn't like a crunchy cast on there, but the hold was strong, if that makes sense. And as you can see, it defined all of my curls, and I really love this wash and go. And my hair lasted for 5 days, like for my hair, because typically if my hair starts to get frizzy or matted, I don't really go anymore, but it lasted for 5 days. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.